Data mining, the art of building list of potential clients for you to approach. My name is Leonard Mikulic from leadgenconsulting.io, and in this video I want to share with you the process of how you should find your potential clients, which data you should really use, and how we can help you do this. So what is data mining process? It helps you to identify and understand your potential clients through online sources. This way you really gather key details about your audience. It saves you a lot of time because of automation. It helps you build more targeted, personalized, and high quality reach out to your potential clients. We collect this data from social media, websites, and other platforms, and we are doing it by manual work, or we use software managed by experts that really know how to find all of the information that we need to approach these clients. Which data points we are gathering for our clients? We look at education, job title, industry, current and previous companies, location, country of origin, languages spoken, connection of existing clients, interests, events, groups they are in, or custom data based on financial professionals' needs. Once we gathered all of the data that we need for the first approach, we have to find the right angles to approach these clients and build messaging, texts, and so on. Our company uses two strategies for the data mining process. First one is bottom-up process, which means that we identify ideal prospects based on past successful clients. We find those connections and people who are similar to clients that we already have. We filter leads by job role, location, and industry. Now we are going to be like machine gun and send a lot of messages to people that are pretty much cold. We have some similarities with them which we can use in the approach, but it is not like we were referred by our clients to them. So that is the first one. And the second one is top-down process, where we are going to approach people who are already in our network, like referrals from our clients, connection of our clients, friends of our clients, or something that we can really connect about with our client, like where we went to university, they went to the same university as we had, workplaces where we already worked, or location where we are as well, mutual clients. And all of this helps to create a warm and more natural outreach strategy. Once you already found all of the potential clients that you want to really go and approach, you have to gather their data and organize them in some way. We organize all of these data, all of these potential clients through campaigns, industries, different similarities we have with them, and top-down or bottom-up processes and so on. And when you have all of the list put together and you are really okay with starting and going to approaching them, you have to first develop an effective outreach strategy, which means how you are going to send the first message and how you are going to react to certain responses you will get from that message, and so on. And we will really talk about this in another video about conversation structure and outbound prospecting campaigns. But you have to really develop the whole strategy, not just for the data mining, but for all of the other processes that you need to go through with the client to book a meeting or to close them as your new client. But how are we doing this for our clients? And how can we help you too? Instead of you spending hours and hours on manually searching your potential clients, we do all of this for you. We build a list of 6,000 potential clients for you. You just have to filter and screen the list for your current clients and partners, and then we can start with reaching out to them. Have a look right now on how our sheet of potential clients really look. As you can see, we have a lot of data points here that we gathered from these clients, and we can filter them by different campaigns, location, or industries, and we can do all of this for you. So if you would be interested in having built your online marketing department or outsource online marketing department for you and manage all of your marketing activities to really book meetings and get clients on autopilot, let us know by messaging us on different social media platforms, emailing us, or phone calling us, and yeah, we will be waiting for you. So thank you and have a nice day.